Hey guys, gals, welcome back to the channel. And today what we're working on is the Corvette. Promise you more Corvette content, and that's what we're working on. So let me show you what we got going on here. I got my aftermarket console out, and what we're doing is I didn't like where my nitrous switches were at. I had them inside there. Here we go. I had everything right here. My line lock, the light to let me know it's on. This was for to arm the nitrous. This is my purge, and this is the go-go juice button. And I didn't like this. I had it sitting down in there. I had it down in there like that, and it's such a pain in the butt. So what we got going on now is this, and this is a piece I made off of that big sheet of plastic right there. So we're gonna put everything across there that I need, and we're gonna get that on the bottle warmer. We'll have all that going across there. So that's what we're working on right now. So let's get to it. All right, so real quick, we got that on there, and Jamie is wiring in, getting all the stuff hooked back up to relays and power and ground and all that, and then I'm working on the bottle, and I got a power wire ran back that'll go to one of those switches that he's working up on there. So the power wire, I'm just running right up through there, across, then hiding it behind all that. So I gotta get a couple of butt connectors and for the ground, and then that'll be all set. Okay. So I got the bottle warmer done. Damn it, I put everything away. I did put a fusible link on it. Screw it. We'll take this back apart real quick. Pause. Okay, here we go. Dang it. Sorry, guys. Gals. There's my fusible link that I put on the bottle warmer. And there's my amp for the sub, bottle warmer, bottle. Any of you guys that, not like we have spares, but if you're on to adjusting your suspension on the go, in that compartment over there, I got a real nice little kit. I'll show it to you here in a second. But I got this from Lowe's, and this fits perfectly. Even if you're on stock bolts and you have the car all the way down, that fits underneath the back end perfect to raise it up just enough to get a little pressure off, and then you can adjust your bolts. Right there, cool little cobalt kit. Fits down in there perfect. And there's the leather bag that has my net in it. Got a couple of wrenches, adjustable wrench down in there, tire gauges. There you go. Perfect little kit for this car, man. Just in case you got an emergency or something, it came in handy when I got it. I got this I'm in Ohio, but I got this at a Lowe's down in Florida. Shove the amp back. The amp goes back in there first, and then I put the little bottle jack on top. And there you go. Fits all back down in there. Then we put our cover back on. We were playing with our HP tuners a little bit today. That's kind of cool. It's very, very tedious, though. But we got most of it. Looks like he did all of it is in soldered and shrink wrapped. So the next thing you'll see here when I pop this video back up again is we're gonna have it all back together, and I'll be videoing when we go for a test ride on the way home. Here we go. Got nitrous arm, purge, go juice. This is our line lock and bottle warmer. We're ready to go. Thank you, Jamie.
You're welcome, Steve.
Again. Awesome. Thanks again, man, for wiring it up. This looks a lot better. That's better than what was in the glove box.
Yes.
All right, so we have our traction control is off, on, off. We're in drive. You arm your line lock for the brakes, and we're not moving. We're in drive. That's how that goes. And, let's get to another spot. Armed. It's already been purged. I don't know how I'm going to do this. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. And I really appreciate it. I thank you guys for watching. Like I've said before, this is a pretty good outlet for me. So I thank you much. Enjoy your weekend. Be safe. Be kind to one another. And we'll see you on the next one. Let's go.